how's it going, guys? Mark from Everything Beamer back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to do the power steering pressure hose. I'm going to be replacing it. I already got all the tools out and ready for me, so I already have everything I need. And during this video, like I always do during all my DIYs, I will be telling you and showing you what tools you will need during the process. So, by the way, guys, I am giving the Xbox X away. As soon as I hit 1K subscribers, I will be giving that away. All you guys have to do is subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. You will automatically be in the raffle to win it. So, good luck to you guys. Like I always tell you guys, what do you have to lose? So let's just get straight into it.
Gotta have them tools, boy. Handy mandy, man. Handy mandy.
I already got the lug loosened. So the lugs are loosened right now. I'm gonna start jacking it up and I'm gonna figure out this problem. I'm gonna diagnose this issue.
Make sure, man.
Let's get my drill so I get the drill off. See, look, that's all the power steering fluid coming out, dripping straight from the pressure hose. So it's literally right under here. I'm about to take this off right here. So it's like, I believe like 4 screws. They're all 8mm. So let's take that off. Once I take that off, it's gonna be right here. The pump is gonna be right here, right under it. And So yeah, just opening this right here, I found my problem already. This pressure line hose is completely rusted and busted. So I have to like take this out and just get a new one. This shit's horrible. I see exactly where it's coming from right now. For this, I use a 17 wrench. I just kind of like finessed it out. Yesterday, I'm raw dogging the Glen, no gloves. Almost every video I raw dog, but it's all right. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. So you see a little loose. Now I have to get through this. There's a path blocking my way where this is going to. The outlet is a path. Gang, man, Beamer gang. My homeboy Carlos put up on me, man. Yes, sir. 235. She's fire. Hear the sound of blowout valve, man. Damn. That shit sounds fire. HKS is fire, bruh. Sounds fire. That shit sound hell. Bro, just imagine, bro. Me get the shit FBO cut, that shit gonna sound. Bro, just with the MHD tune, that shit's gonna sound crazy. Yes, sir. Whole crew here, boy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whole gang here, gang shit. When I say beaming everything, I literally mean everything. No cap around here, man. Everything beaming for real. So yeah, right now we're about to go see what is the guy injector looking like, cause he has a leaky injector. He gonna go buy it real quick and we're gonna go on from there. Damn.
I don't know. Are you gonna install it today or you gotta go? I gotta go, but I gotta take it. I got the tape right now.
So after you're done taking the shield off, you're gonna put this on. You're gonna use this right here. Put it in to seal it, so it won't leak when we do everything right. Now the issue, you need to see the black line right here that we cut off from the old one. It goes all the way through here and out. So what we're going to end up having to do is either rewire it, meaning leave that hose in since it's already there, and just move around it. So what I mean is taking this and bending it and forging it to go right into the power steering, and not going all the way through that. That's the challenging part right there, because the back end has a piece and it's locked tight. And the only way we could get that off is taking the subframe down. And honestly, I'm not trying to take the subframe down, so I'm just gonna try to work around that for now. And if I have to take the subframe out, I will. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to start taking this out right now and redoing it, so we rewire this out. I'm gonna explain to you what I did, so you guys won't have to go through what I tried to do. So I just ended up putting the Loctite here, put it on the bolt, and threading everything through the outside where behind the wheel axle is, right here. Instead of going through where the original part was, which is this line right here, if you guys see, we're gonna delete that line in general and just move the new line behind the wheel axle, if you guys can see. Put it behind the wheel axle and just simply snugged it back in. These both are 17 millimeter wrenches. So remember that, both 17 millimeters, and that's really it. It's really literally just like that easy. Any other way would have been 10 times harder. It would have been 10 times harder to explain. So I mean, this isn't really a DIY because I didn't do it step by step. But if anybody else is going through this on the 5 series, it shouldn't be that complicated, and don't make it more complicated than it should be. BMW try to make everything complicated, and that's one thing I hate about them. It's better. So yeah, that's it.
The Mustang, got the Beamers. Yes, buddy. Pull up at the squad.
Damn. And this shit looks good on the road, bruh. No cap.
Yeah, someone fucking keyed my car.
Does somebody really key that shit, bruh?
We got.
Like, you think somebody really keyed your shit, bro?
I don't know, man. Look at it.
No, I see it.
There's scratches on it, bro. But damn, bro. We got a 370Z, and then we're waiting for
Throw it.
that Mustang that was over there. Too.
Man, he left, man. He made that right here. Should have been got it.
Bro, my car sounds so good. I would never trade that 128, but I don't even give a fuck what anyone says.
That shit's fire, bro.
Like your bike's the other one, 370. Oh, yes! That's what I'm talking about.
That Audi smoking? Ah, I think so.